How to delete Dramabox account on Windows. Now, if you're currently using Dramabox using your Windows or any other APK or simulator from your PC, then all you have to do is the process is actually the same thing on doing it on your mobile phone. So basically, you'll just have to access Dramabox, make sure that you log into your account, and then log into a specific account on you'd like to be cancelled or deleted. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is scroll or navigate through your profile, which is going to be the lower right portion of your screen. Then go to settings. And here, and the last option is actually account deletion. Choose on that. Then you'll have to wait 10 seconds for you to be able to activate this button right here. And while waiting, you'll have to tick this circle right here that you accept the deletion risk and agreed to delete my account. Now once everything is done, all you have to do is to confirm it and delete or cancel your account. And that's it. That's how you cancel Dramabox account on Windows.